Okay, for this one, the box is what we're solving for. We've got the box times a tomato, then we have plus a purple B, plus a black B, plus a green thing, equals a yellow thing. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cancel these two guys out, make my zero pair. That's the easiest way to go. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of this green guy by making him black. And so I'm going to put him, ooh, no, I don't want to divide. Put him over there, and whatever I do the right side, I have to do the left. And then I combine like terms. We're good. Now I got to get rid of the tomato guy. Okay, right now he's black, but I want him to be orange. And I'm going to divide by the tomato guy, so I'm putting him under there. And whatever I do to one side, I have to do the other. And it kind of prompts you that you have to do it for both of them, but that's okay. And then you divide, you get one, you do your identity power, and it solves. Okay, one more. These progressively get harder as you go on. Again, we're solving for the x. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of my zero pair first. I'm going to do my snake divided by my snake. Going to give me a 1. Now I've got a black one and a white one, which cancel out zero pair. Okay, now when I want to get x by himself, I can either divide by a blue snail or a black snail. Well, because I want it to be a positive 1, I'm going to divide by a blue snail. Whatever I do to one side, do it to the other. And then you do your identity power, solve for x. Okay, we will do one more. We're going to solve for x here. Ugh, that's ugly. First thing I'm going to choose to do is I'm going to get rid of this 5, and I'm going to make it -5. So whatever I do to one side, I'm not going to divide it. I just want to add it. I'm going to do to the other. Put those guys together, get my zero pair. So I have a zero pair, which I can ding off, I can ding off, I can ding off. I'm going to go here and ding off my zero pair. Now to get rid of that 6, I can either divide by +6 or -6, but because I want a positive x, I'm going to divide by +6. Whatever I do to one side, you got to do it to the other. And again, it prompts you to do it in both places. 6 divided by 6 is 1, makes you show it. And then you solve for the variable. And we are done with that. Okay, on this new step, it tells you exactly what we're doing. We can place a card next to another card, and it's just going to show you how to get rid of your denominator. So I can put it on the top over here, and whatever I do to one side, again, you have to do it to the other. And again, we're getting rid of the denominator, so we're moving it to the numerator because we can't have a number in the denominator when we're solving for a variable. Okay, so let's practice this. We got the little turkey thing on bottom, so I'm going to put them on top. I want to put them on top wherever. Okay, over here we don't have a bottom and top, but we know bottom top. We know that if there's not a denominator, is that we know that. Okay, that solves. We're good. We're going to do one more of these, and then I'm going to stop. I'll stop that, and we'll go to. Okay, we got one more I'm going to do, and then I'm done with this because I know I'm just driving y'all crazy. Okay, so we've got over here on the left side, we've got the box with the stars around it. We got ×5 divided by 3. We've got all this stuff, okay? First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of my little snake things because I've got a red and a red. That's easy, and I'm going to get rid of my 1. Okay, now I've got these 2, and they cancel out, and they give you a zero pair, so I'm going to do that next. Okay, now I have times a black 5 divided by a white 3, so I have to do the opposite. I mean, I have to, do the same, I'm sorry. So I'm going to divide by a black 5, and whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other. And I am going to multiply by a white 3, and whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other. Okay, so over here, my 3's will cancel out, and they'll give me a 1. And then my 5's will cancel out, and they'll give me a 1. And over there, I'm good to go.